Hello everyone, today I am presenting the NREGA data analysis. Let's get started. Here we see the introduction. The data analysis of data related to the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act for transformative government scheme aimed at providing the rural households with guarantee wage employment opportunities. The dataset used for the analysis encompasses a wide range of parameters including the number of job card issues and the workforce engaged, budget allocation, work completion statistic and the much more. And we can see the different state and the district in India. First question is effectiveness of NREGA in providing the employment opportunities to the rural household. And here we use it the cluster bar chart, and we are filtered with the top 10 status. And here we see that Uttar Pradesh has the highest and Pondicherry has the lowest. Along with that, we have the active job 97 million, active workers is 175 million, and job card is 156 million. And percentage of differently abled person top 10 we have done, and in that we can see the West Bengal has the highest and the Uttarakhand has the lowest with 0.02%. Next question, regional disparities in the implementation and outcomes of the scheme. And here we use it the stacked bar chart, and here we have the SC and the ST workers against the active workers, and state by average days of employment provided per households. In that we see the Uttar Pradesh has the highest with 2479 and lowest with 258, that is West Bengal. Next question is the utilization of the allocated budget. To solve this question, we have used the funnel chart, and employment rate by approved labor budget, we have the highest with the 21 million and the lowest with the Belagavi 13 million. Next question, we have the key factor contributing the completion of NREGA works. To solve this question, we have used the cluster bar chart, and for a sum of number completed work, sum of number of on the ongoing work by the states, we have here we can see that Madhya Pradesh the top and the lowest with the Himachal Pradesh, and along with we have the expenditure distribution. Next question, we have the scheme's impact. To solve this question, we have used the donut chart for the NRM expenditure versus the category, and here we see the sum of number of expenditure has the 33% and sum of category of the by works we have the 67%. Next we have the final dashboard, and here we see the along with KPI solved before, and we have mixed with here, and along with we can see the effectiveness of NREGA by providing employment, factors contributing completion of roadblocks, allocated budget and correlation with employment, and regional disparities in completion of the outcomes. And here we total have the 4 million workers and 269 millions, and the number of HHS completed 100 days of wage employment is 428k, and the total active number of workers are 175 million. Here we have the summary. Across the all 10 district names, the average of SC workers against the active workers ranged from the 0.15 million to 0.587 million, and the average ST workers against the worked range from 2.6k to 0.166 million. Across all 10 district names, and the average total of number of jobs cards ranged from 0.51 million to 0.77 million, and the average total workers of number jobs issued range from 0.64 million to 1.2 million. Across all 10 district names, the average number of ongoing works ranged from 25k to 93k, and the average total number of workers ranged from 0.17 million to 1.15 million. Thank you.